Hi guys, welcome to Chillipot kitchen. My name is Darshini. Who doesn't love Gulab Jamun? This dessert is everyone's favorite. Gulab Jamun is a classic Indian sweet which is a milk-based dessert that is traditionally cooked in the deep fry and then soaked in a sugar syrup. But today I'm going to show you how to make air-fried Gulab Jamun. Garnish it with chopped nuts before serving. My favorite is to eat with ice cream when it is hot. It feels like this is the best dessert combo in this world. I have given the link in the description box below for homemade vanilla ice cream. The major advantages of making Gulab Jamun in the air fryer are it's nice and healthy. No need to deep fry the Gulab Jamun balls. Quick and hands-off cooking. It is not messy, no pots of oil and no dripping to worry about. I fry the Gulab Jamuns until golden brown rather than the darker brown. This keeps them soft enough to absorb the syrup. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Looking for more instant pot or electric pressure cooker, air fryer and instant pot blender recipes? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy and tasty video recipes. I post new videos every Tuesday, Friday and Sunday. I'm using store-bought MTR premix Gulab Jamun pack. You can use any premix. This mix is easily available in the Indian store or in an Amazon. I have given the Amazon link for the premix in the description box below. Let's get started. Check on the ingredients. Take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box below later. First, we'll start making a dough. Use the package directions to make the Gulab Jamun dough or shift the flour mix and transfer it to a large bowl. Now, add half of the warm milk and mix with a spoon. Once a dough-like mixture forms, use your hands to make a soft dough by adding few drops of milk at a time or else the dough will be sticky. Once the dough is ready, add the ghee and knead the dough for a minute. Cover the dough and set it aside for 10 minutes. Here is a tip if your dough becomes sticky. Always save some of the flour mix in case your dough is sticky. You can add it and mix it along, or if you have a milk powder, you can add them to balance it. Now we'll start making sugar syrup. Check on the ingredients, take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box below later. Add sugar and water to the heavy bottom pan. On a medium flame, let the sugar melt and let it boil for 5 to 8 minutes. You can always adjust the sugar as your preference. I add less sugar than the package said. Remember, always add the same proportion of sugar and water for the better taste. Turn off the flame, add cardamom powder or you can also add half teaspoon of rose essence and give a quick mix. If you want, you can add saffron strands also. Keep it aside. Let's air fry the Gulab Jamun. Set the air fryer to preheat mode for 5 minutes at 300° Fahrenheit. Grease the tray with oil. Grease the palm with ghee. Now, take the dough and pinch a small amount of it. Cover the dough to avoid dryness. Roll the dough between the greased palm to form a smooth ball. Try to get the balls as smooth as you can. Here is a quick tip to make a smooth ball. First, press the dough flat gently and make the dough soft. Then, make a ball. Any cracks may ruin the shape of the jamuns once cooked. Make balls using the same method from the remaining dough. Now, place the dough balls on an air fryer rack or basket. Don't overcrowd it. Brush the oil over the ball. Air fry the Gulab Jamun for 5 minutes at 300° Fahrenheit and then flip and cook the other side for another 5 minutes at 375° Fahrenheit. Remember, every air fryer is different. So, first try with a couple of balls to get a desired color and time and then fry the rest. The time may vary depending on the ball size as well. So, keep an eye on it. Flip or shake twice or thrice to turn the balls to allow uniform browning. Look at these beauties in the air fryer. It's done now. Wow, look at this perfect golden brown color. The color changed evenly. Gently add the air fried Gulab Jamun to the sugar syrup. Let the ball stand in the syrup for at least 10 to 15 minutes to get soaked well. Make sure that the sugar syrup is warm. Let it soak for at least 15 to 30 minutes. Let's dig in. It's so soft, cooked and so well. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Do try this recipe at your home and give me your feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. If you have any questions or feedback, write it in the comment section below. I will respond to it as soon as possible. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.